Julius Erman Empoy Ramos Marquez, born July 3, 1981, also known mononymously as Empoy, is a Filipino actor, comedian, and host. He is best known for playing the male lead in Kita Kita, the highest-grossing Filipino independent film of all time. His performance earned him a nomination for the Gawad Urian for Best Actor. Marquez then appeared in TV5's Locomoco, Tropa Moco and Lai, and played the titular superhero character in Capitan Awesome to 0122-013. He also portrayed Chiz in the 2015 sitcom Mac and Chiz. In 2018, he had a supporting role in the television drama Since I Found You, and also co-starred in the film Cousin of Kings. Julius Erman Ramos Marquez was born in Balayuag, Bulacan on July 3, 1981. He is the eldest among 7 siblings, and his parents separated when he was in 6th grade. He earned his college degree in mass communication with the intention of becoming a DJ. In 2003, Marquez won the Mr. Suave lookalike contest on ABS-CBN's Magandang Tanghali Bayan. Aside from the cash prize, he was also awarded a role in the film, which starred Vihang Navarro as the title character. He also became a co-host of MTBAN Gi Saja Saja for a year. Marquez was signed to Star Magic and moved to TV5 in 2008. During this time, he had small roles in several films and television shows where he was typecast as the comical sidekick. He also appeared in the independent films S.A. Aking Pag Kakajizing, Mula S.A. Kamalatan, and Carnivore, both directed by Otto Bautista and starring Carlo Aquino. In 2017, Marquez returned to ABS-CBN and became part of the sketch comedy show Banana Sunday. He also appeared in the suspense thriller film Bloody Crayons as Gerard, the clown of the group of friends who travel to a remote island to make a short film until they get killed one by a masked individual. Afterwards, Marquez co-starred in the romantic comedy film Kita Kita opposite to Alessandra De Rossi. He portrayed Tonyo, a plain-looking but kind-hearted OFW in Japan who falls in love with a blind woman played by De Rossi. According to the film's co-producer Piolo Pascual, the role of Tonyo was tailor-made for Marquez. Against expectations, Kita Kita went on to become the highest-grossing Filipino independent film of all time. EARNING 300 million within 3 weeks of release. Due to the film's popularity, the entertainment media dubbed Marquez and De Rossi's pairing as Empoy. For his performance, he was nominated for the Gawad Urian for Best Actor. He also co-hosted the 41st Gawad Urian Awards ceremony with De Rossi and Butch Francisco. In July 2017, Marquez opened way back 90s and 1990s themed restabar in his hometown, Baliuag, Bulacan. In 2018, Marquez and De Rossi had supporting roles in the ABS-CBN series Since I Found You, which aired from April to August. That same year, in the comedy film Kusina Kings, Marquez and Zanjo Marudo starred as a pair of chefs who attempt to save their restaurant by joining a reality show. Beginning in 2019, Marquez appeared in FPJ's ANG Provinciano as Domingo Domingos Suarez, an aspiring actor who is mistakenly arrested in a drug raid and later becomes a police informant. Also in 2019, he was reunited with De Rossi in the music video for Pag-ibig Sa Tabing Dagat by Orange and Lemons. Marquez again co-starred with De Rossi in Walang Kapras, an Amazon Prime Video original film released in March 2023. The romantic drama is set in Paris and was directed by Kita Kita director Sigrid Andrea Bernardo. In 2024, he joined Susan Enriquez as the newest co-host of GT, V's news magazine show Ijunder. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.